and yes, from awesome building to after we bought it apartment, we approached it for interior. Cookscape has done a wonderful interiors for us. We are very happy with the work and the Cookscape. Everyone coming to the house seeing the interiors, all appreciation for it and the colors we have chosen. All the best for Cookscape.
Hi, I am Malki Ranganathan. Overall, it has been a very good experience. We are very satisfied with the way our wardrobes and kitchen have been finished. This is what we expected and what we wanted. Initially, during the process, we had our own doubts and inhibitions whether the finish will be as same as what we want, the color that we choose, whether we'll get the same, or whether the design that we want will be the same as what they will finish it as. It has come very well. We are very much more than satisfied and we are very happy with Cookscape. Our kitchen, our wardrobe, everything has been done as we wanted. Thank you.